Hi, Angela Gurley from angelagurley.com. I am working on a series of videos that I want to share with you. Marketing tips that I learned in the kitchen. So my first tip is if you don't know how to make something, there's a certain dish you would like to make, Google is your friend. Now, I had some leftover ham. I really wanted to make something fun with that, and I had an idea of I wanted pesto to go with that, and I found a really awesome dish to make with that my family absolutely loves. Now the same is for your business. There may be lots of little things. You do not need to know how to do everything right at the beginning, but the best thing to do when you're building your business is do what you already know, and then those things that you may not know how to do, or those little things you want to tweak, there is a wealth of information on Google. So you can go into Google, you can get an article, but the best thing I found is to hit up all the videos that are on YouTube. You can find pretty much anything that you want there. So if there's something that you're really wanting to know how to do, or something you need to tweak, Google and YouTube will be your best friends to be able to do that. If you found this information helpful and you want to catch the rest of my marketing that I learned in the kitchen series, hop on my newsletter at angelagurley.com, and I will be sharing a lot more great stuff with you there. Have a great day.